Hello and welcome. Today's short tutorial is on how to take a site such as the SPCC website that has lots of images, small text, things like that, and making it more readable and accessible to students with disabilities by using an online converter to create a text-only version of the site. What this means is it takes a website, such as ours, which has lots of menus and color schemes and font sizes that may be difficult or less accessible for certain students, and converts it into a text-only version which has the same material but only as text. And you can customize the font size, the background, and everything so that it can be totally accessible to anyone. And what we're going to use is a tool called Readable by TastefulWords to do this. To start, I'm using Google Chrome as my browser. You could also use Microsoft Firefox or Internet Explorer. I would just warn you that with Internet Explorer, you do have a lot more chance of getting errors. I've had a lot more pages that just don't work with this tool. I've never had a problem with Chrome or Firefox. But for any of these browsers, the procedure is virtually the same. So what you'll do is first you need to install the bookmarklet for TastefulWords Readable. It doesn't mean you have to install any programs. You're just adding a mini favorite to your browser. So we're going to go to their site first. And it's http://readable.tastefulwords.com. It says this is readable, and all it does is it takes websites and converts them to text only. So you click Show Setup. Now this is the page where you set all of your options. So what you do is you pick the font, size, background color, and justification left, right, center that you want for the page. And as you change things, look below, it will change and give you a preview of what you will see. So play around with the settings for how you'd like it to look. And when you're done, all you have to do is see this button here that says Readable, take it, and either drag it to your toolbar or right-click it and add it to your favorites. So I'm just going to put it on my toolbar, and that's all you need to do. Now I'm going to go to a site that has a lot of small font and other things, such as our distance learning site on SPCC. And you can do this with any site. So here, you'll see this site has lots of colors, very small font. All you need to do on this site is click this little bookmarklet, and it provides an overlay of the site in text-only format exactly as you wanted it to be formatted. And then when you're done, you can print it as text-only, you can change the font and style, or you can close it and go back to the normal site. So play around with the settings there, and you can get the site exactly how you want it to look. And this will make it so anybody has access to the text on your site. If you do encounter a site which you cannot get to work, it just shows a blank overlay, the only thing you may have to do is highlight the text you want to format and then click the button. And then it'll only give you that selection as text. That's it. Like I said, it's Readable, which is Readable, READABLE .tastefulwords, all one word, .com. And that's it. Thank you very much for listening.